Gosh, I'm alright at all. Really? Yes, I do. What do you think, Celestia? Actually, Caine. What's that? Um, I wanted to say. What do you want to say? If I want something to do in mind, I think that's pretty good thing to do. Hmm. You know what? I feel kind of good or something. What kind of good? Good at things like a good thing to do. Hmm. What do I think I like to think? Let's see. You work together, right? Yeah, I work together. Cool. I could have a hiccups because I need a hiccuping. If you had a hiccups, then don't hiccuping. Okay, I won't hiccup. Good. No hiccuping, okay? Alright. Thank you very much. You're very welcome.